We'll guide you through how to sell on the Facebook Marketplace. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. So for whatever reason you want to go and sell something on the marketplace, perhaps you've been sorting out your house and you've got stuff to sell, or you've got an old electronic product you want to sell. It doesn't matter, we'll guide you through the steps. Make sure it's full video so you know what to do. So to go and get started with this, you want to go and head to the bottom of Facebook and go and find the marketplace. If you can't see it there, don't worry. What you can do is you can go and press the profile button in the bottom right or top right. Now, previously, this would have taken you to the menu. It may still do for you. If it doesn't, don't worry. You can press the three lines in the top left and then get to the menu. And in here, you can go and find Marketplace. You may need to press See More to go and find it. So here we are. So now what we can do is go and start selling. So what you need to do is go and press Sell in the top left like so. Now you'll be on the selling page. We're going to guide you through this to make sure this full guide. To get started, we can go and create a listing. That means we can go and start selling. So press that there. Now you can go and choose what we're going to be doing here. So you've got one item, a vehicle, property for sale or to let, or a sale event. So in this case, we'll do an item. So I'll press that there. Now we need to go and get started. So what you want to do is you can go and record a video or add photos and video. So in this case, I'm going to press add. Now, if you haven't got any photos yet, you can go and press the camera icon and start taking them. I'm doing this with an iPad here, so I'll select that. The more the better, because people can go and see the details. If there's like a slight defect on it, make sure you've got a photo on it and just make it very clear to be as honest as possible. Otherwise, someone may come and see it and say something like, oh, it's not what I thought it was, or something like that. So make sure you include any defects or any good details you should add. With them selected, you can press done, and there we go. We've now added it. You can then record a video and still add more if you want to. Now, what you want to do is you want to go down to title and you want to go and enter in what you're selling. So in this case, this is an iPad. Be specific because, of course, there are lots of different models out there. In this case, this is an iPad, 11th generation, A16. So make sure you add that and be specific. Next, you want to go and add in the price. So if you're not sure what you should go and price it at, it's worth going and looking at other online sites as well as the Facebook Marketplace. Just go and get an idea, but otherwise just enter in the price you think it should be. So in this case, I may want to make it 250, for example. Make sure it goes and detects the right category. It should go and do this automatically via the title, but otherwise you can go and select that there. So in this case, that's correct. Next, you need to go and choose the condition. So you can go and set that there. You've got new, used like new, used good, and used fair. So I'd say used good, as like new is pretty much brand new, but I have gone and had this for a year now, so it's got a bit of use to it. Now you should go and add in the description. So make sure you add any important details. So I could go and type in the name again, and then you can add other useful information. For example, the storage amount. So I could type in storage. Go and type that in. I'd need to go and check it. Make sure, of course, everything is completely true and honest. And then you could give a reason for why you're getting rid of it. For example, I have now upgraded, just so it gives a bit of honesty because people may be interested. Like, are you selling it because it's damaged or whatever? So you go and get the idea. You can also go and press help me right there and Facebook can help you. Next, you need to go and add in the location. This is really important because it will then be shown to people in that area who've gone and set their marketplace to it. So you can go and press edit if needed. And then what you can do is you can go and choose it there. So you can go and drop the pin, press apply, and then that'll go and be added. Next, you can go and expand more details. You could type in the brand. So it hasn't actually got the right one there, so I won't do that. But if it does, I could select Apple. Then I could go and choose device name iPad and enter in the other info. Then you've got listing options. Here you can go and hide it from friends. You may want to do this as I've seen my friends selling stuff. It doesn't really matter, but you may want to. What you can do is go and list in more places as well if you want to, like in groups to help reach it to more people. And you can also add in additional listing options if you want to. So you can go through there if you want. Then what you can do is you can go and press next when you're ready. And what you can then do is you can go and see that the marketplace is selected. And then what you can do is press publish in the top right. You can see that it's publishing, be patient. It's now in review. So you need to go and wait for it to be reviewed. Usually it doesn't take long. And then what you can do is once you start getting people interested, you can come back to the page by pressing marketplace and you can go and press sell in the top left. And then you're back here. You can go and check your inbox. People will go and message you regarding your product. Go and see what you're currently selling. As you can see, just the iPad at the moment. And you've got the other options like announcements, insights, and other notifications. When you're finished with it's sold or you want to go and delete it, press the three dots to the right here. And you could go and then press on delete listing if you wanted to. and then it'll go and delete it. So there we go. You've now successfully gone and started selling on Facebook. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful guides.